welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be testing like this star box, this pink one, this clear one, and this big foam clear one. It's going to have to be really quick. So first we're going to start with this Starbot one. It's called Majiki and it's half and half, as you can see. So this is the blue. It's really pretty, but when you stretch it, that happens. It bugs me a bit, but nothing you can do. So the blue one's not good. I'm rating it like a 2 slime. Well, I'll give it 3 because it's pretty. Purple. So this is the purple one. It's pretty stretchy. Stretchier than the blue one. The looks is not good. Yeah, you don't get any of that. So I'm giving this one a 4 so it can beat this one. Yeah, so it can beat that one. So moving on to the next one. If I can get this in the box. Alright, moving on to the next one. Now we have this blue glitter clear slime. Really nice. And it's pretty sticky, but it's nice. And we're going to see if this one will use slime as well. It's a lot better than the other ones, this one, so I think this is going to have to be in the lead. It's so much slime here, I can't do a slime swirl. So yeah, pretty good. I'm going to see if it does the pokes. Wait, I need to make it thick. Don't know if you can hear that, but turn the volume up if you want to hear it. So yeah, pretty good. Moving on to the next one. The next one is the ginormous foam slime. This is a clear one as well. Pretty sticky this one, but it's okay. Ooh. Ooh. Yay! It actually does it. Ooh. Gonna try to do a bubble. Yes, I did a bubble. Yes, 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 yes. I think I've said yes enough times. So, this one's really good. Just a bit sticky, that's all. So I'm giving wait, did I write the other one? No, I didn't write the other one, did I? Oh, I'm gonna give that blue one. I'm gonna give this one a 5, cause 7. I'll be a bit kinder. I'll give this one 7.5, cause it's more slime. It's just sticky. So yeah, moving on to the next one. If I can get this on my hands, so it will go in the container. Right, so now this is the last and final slime. It's my favourite one. It is pink. Then it has, I don't know if you can see, it has hearts in. So this is what it looks like. This is the best one. It's not sticky or anything. It's stretchy. It's hard to do slime swirl because it always runs down, you know? So yeah. This one, I didn't even rate the other one, I don't think. I'm going to give that one an 8. And then, wait, no, I did rate it. That was a 7.5. This one is going to be a 10, because it's the best one. So well done, Pink Slime, you've won. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and the subscribe button. If you've already hit the subscribe and hit the notification bell ding ding, so you can see more videos just like this. Goodbye!